Hello children, hope you all are fine. Here we will discuss Class 3 Computer Science Chapter 1 Computer System. You have already learned basic knowledge of computer in previous video. Here again we are going to start with the same question. What is computer? Introduction to computer in detail. So again revise it. What is computer? You have already seen this computer in your computer lab or at home. So question comes in mind, what exactly this is? So in general language, if you want to define this computer, what exactly it is? A computer is an electronic device. It needs electricity, that's why it is an electronic device. And also we can say programmable device. Why? Because it needs program to run, that is used for processing of information means what? Data, and is capable of calculating and storing information as result. Before going to the next topic, you must know about the data, information and computer. Let's start our lesson. In this lesson, we are going to study about some topic. The very first topic is computer system, hardware, types of hardware, software, components of CPU, IPO cycle, flow of data in computer system. So start with the first topic, that is computer system. So here we go. Computer system. A computer has many parts. All the parts of the computer together make the computer system. As you seen in the picture, there is computer system which include all the parts of computer, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. Now the next topic, two components of computer. First one is hardware and second one is software. There are some examples of hardware and software. We will discuss in detail. Types of computer, that is hardware and software. Let's learn some important things about hardware and software. What is hardware? Computer hardware is the collection of all the parts you can physically touch and feel. Different types of hardware are input device, output device, processing device. You can see the example here. Other facts about hardware. Parts inside the computer case like motherboard, hard disk, SMPS, etc. Let's discuss about software. What is a software? A computer program is a collection of instructions that perform a specific task when executed by a computer, like typing on the keyboard. Shut down the computer system. These all are the examples of software. Software is often divided into two categories. First one is system software, second one is application software. Let's discuss in detail. System software. System software is a type of computer program that is designed to run a computer hardware like operating system, device drives. Operating system like Windows, Mac OS and Linux. Now, application software. Application software is a program or group of programs designed for end users. What is end user? That means programmer of the product. Some example like Photoshop, pen.net. You can take some general examples like Facebook, WhatsApp, Flipkart. These all are the examples of application softwares. Now here, user interaction with hardware and software. This is the block diagram, how user interact with application software, then system software like operating system, then hardware. Now the next topic, Components of CPU. CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. It is also called as brain of computer. All the processing work done by CPU. CPU has three parts. CU, control unit. It is most important and control the working of all the parts like traffic, policeman. ALU, arithmetical logic unit, does all the calculations such as addition, subtraction and multiplication. MU, memory unit. It stores data and information for the processing. Now we will learn how a computer works. Computer follows IPO cycle. Now, I will tell you what an IPO cycle is. IPO stands for input, process, and output. Here is a block diagram you can see. To understand the IPO cycle, let's see some real life examples that we can look around us. We are taking an orange as input, then put it into the mixer grinder. And we will get a glass of orange juice as an output. There is another example. Let's take a calculator. We will give an input that is 3 plus 2. The calculator will do the processing of input that is adding 3 and 2. And we will get the output on a screen of calculator that is 5. Now let's see another example. You have to guess the correct answer. Put some water in a ice tray, then put it into the fridge. Now guess what will be the output? Guess it, children? Yes, correct. We will get the ice cubes as output. So children, you can practice it at your home. Now take another example. You have to guess what will be the input here to put it into the washing machine and what will be the output. And I think you all can guess the input and output here. Correct, children. Dirty clothes input here, and we get the clean clothes as the output. Now I am going to give you all an activity as homework. Take an unsharpened pencil and use your sharpener to sharpen your pencil. Then you will get the output. Output will be sharpened pencil. Do it, children. Next topic is flow of data in computer system. To understand the concept of data flow in a computer system, we must know about the structure of computer. Structure of computer, that is input unit, processing unit and output unit. Processing consists of three more components, that is control unit, arithmetic and logical unit and memory unit, that is also called central processing unit. So children, this is also called block diagram of computer. Now we will see how input unit work in following steps. Let's see the example. Use the calculator on your computer to add numbers. To add 25 plus 32. Children, you type 25 and 32 from the keyboard. Here 25 and 32 are data. Plus and equal are instruction. Let's see what happens next. CU, control unit, takes the input from keyboard keys and sends it to memory unit. For example, you can see 25 plus 32, it is input and control unit send it to memory unit. In the next diagram, the CU control unit takes the data 25 and 32 an instruction plus and equal from the memory unit and tells the ALU arithmetic logical unit to add the numbers. The MU memory unit sends the 25 and 32 and plus and equal sign to the ALU arithmetic logical unit. The arithmetic logical unit then adds the numbers and send 25 and 32 and plus and equal sign to ALU arithmetic and logical unit. The ALU then adds and sends the result 57. The CU sends the result to memory unit to the monitor, that is output device, which show the sum as 57. So children, here the work of control unit, it controls the flow of data from input unit to processing unit and processing unit to output unit. Thank you children and keep learning.